Today I'm going to show you how to organize your contacts in your phone into groups. Let's get started. So you'll need to use the Contacts app in order to do this. If you have a Mac, it's really easy. It's an app contained on the Mac. If you don't, you'll need to log into your iCloud account. And obviously this is for iPhone users, not Android users. If you log into your iCloud account, you can access the Contacts app. You cannot organize these groups or build these groups using your phone. You've got to do it on the desktop app or on the iCloud in the browser. Okay, iCloud.com is where you would do it. So you see I got different groups here. I have a few of the same one right here. That's because I've made it multiple times to show people how to do this. But I like to keep my groups organized. There's a couple reasons why I do this. I want to know who my contacts are on my phone so that when I'm looking for a marketer, for example, or a sales guy, I know where I can find a list of them in my contacts, right? If I'm looking to reconnect with close friends or old friends, then I can go here and find those. That's the reason I keep them. You'll probably have your own reasons for organizing your contacts into groups, but it's a highly effective way to stay in touch and network with your people. So here's how you create the groups. First, you got to create the group that you want. So if you click over here near iCloud and you click the plus, it will pop up a new group, and you can just name that group whatever you want to name it. I'm going to name mine Realtors because I like to network with Realtors because they make good business partners for my business, okay? So now I come back to my all contacts, all right? And I just go through. As I scroll through, if I see a name that I know is a realtor, I'll throw it into that realtor group. And I like to set up any groups I think I'm going to need. As I scroll through, I'll realize I need another group and I make a new group. But you just go through and you find all the people that you want in what group, and you just click and drag. Don't know why I'm getting the pinwheel of death, but you click the contact and drag it to the group, and it will put them in whatever group you want to put them in. And then you've got your contacts organized by group. It's that simple. I hope this was useful. If it was useful, I make how-to videos that are so simple, even my mom can do it. And I make these weekly, so please subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications when new videos come out. Have a great day.